Are you ready to create a beautiful journal that you can sell on Amazon KDP? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Canva templates, even if you've never designed anything before. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional, ready to publish journal in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Canva, an incredibly versatile design tool with thousands of templates at your fingertips. In the search bar, type journal, and you'll instantly see a wide range of designs, from lined journals to bullet journals, or even artistic layouts. There's something for every style and audience. Take your time to browse and pick a template that resonates with your vision, because this will be the foundation of your journal. Once you've chosen a template, click Customize. This is where the fun begins. Canva's intuitive interface makes it easy to tweak everything, from colors and fonts to images and layout. Don't be afraid to experiment. Add your own touch by changing the text, inserting motivational quotes, or adjusting fonts to make your journal unique and appealing to your audience. Next, double check all your elements. Make sure your pages flow well and the design matches the theme you want to convey. When you're happy with your creation, download your journal as a PDF. This is the format you'll need for Amazon KDP. And just like that, you have a fully customized journal ready to publish and share with the world. With Canva, creating a professional and unique journal has never been easier, and this method opens up endless opportunities to reach your niche audience. Now it's your turn. Grab a template, let your creativity flow, and bring your journal to life on Amazon KDP.